Look at this. Look at this gangster. Look at this. Look at this other gangster. How many reps is that? 2,000?
76.
Oh my. Folks, we're having a knockout workout down here while our other friend is upstairs sleeping. We're up here doing weights. This man's doing at least 500 pounds of our bench press. This guy's going at like 500 miles. He looks like a reindeer. I mean, look at me. I was just doing chin-ups and sit-ups, or no, chin-ups and pull-ups. Folks, it's been a lovely day. See this ping pong table over here? This guy beat me in ping pong today. Yeah, this guy is very menacing.
Walk the floor. Bop.
Oh, whoa. Excuse me. Sneezing with friends, folks.
I thought that was fake. Sneezing on YouTube.
It doesn't matter whether it's fake or not. The love is there, people. It's like donuts. This is reality TV, folks. You heard words with friends. This is sneezing with friends.
This is a fart-friendly environment.
Fart. You want to delve into fart-friendly?
I do not want to.
He doesn't want to talk.
Vincent.
Anything else you want to say, Michael?
I can't think of nothing.
Word.
This is a man that's as hood as it gets right here. Folks, we're in the hood, so people, we love you so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Like the video with a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel for more love and more sneezes and more workouts and
Smash
more
that like button.
Smash it. You heard that, man. You heard that, man. Give your menacing look. Word.
Do it.
Word. Oh man, look at that. He's dangerous. Oh. And good night.